In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma Dev Mode, how to open a Figma design in VScode. We'll move from setup to seeing real code, all inside Visual Studio Code. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. It's a free, lightweight code editor that runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. If you already have it, you're good to go. If not, download the installer for your operating system from the official website, run it, and open the app when it's finished. Having the latest version helps the extension work smoothly. With VS Code open, look to the activity bar on the left and open the extensions view. In the search field, type Figma for VS Code. You're looking for the official integration that connects your editor to your design files. Click the first matching result and hit install. The download is quick, and once it's done, you'll notice a new Figma icon appear in the left sidebar. That icon is your shortcut to browsing and inspecting designs without leaving your editor. Go ahead and click the Figma icon. You'll be prompted to log into your Figma account to connect VS Code to your workspace. This secure sign-in links your existing teams and projects so you can access the same files you see in the Figma app or browser. Use the account that already has access to your design files and follow the prompts to complete authorization. After you're signed in, the sidebar will populate with your available projects and files. Take a moment to expand the sections and find the project you want to work with. When you select it, the extension will load the design and present the information you need for implementation. This is where Dev Mode shines. Click on frames or components to view properties, measurements, and platform-friendly code snippets like CSS, iOS, or Android. You can copy values such as colors, typography styles, spacing, and border radii directly from what you see, keeping your implementation tightly aligned with the source design. If you're collaborating, this setup makes handoff easier. Designers can keep iterating in Figma, and you'll always be able to pull the latest specs right from VS Code. If something looks out of date, a quick refresh in the panel usually resolves it. And if you don't immediately see a file, double check that you're signed into the correct account with access to that project. That's all you need to open a Figma design in VS Code, explore it with Dev Mode, and start translating designs into production-ready code, all without switching windows.